Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. So today we have a very unique boat. It's another boat, but this one is super cool. This boat is the Miss GEICO, and this one is a twin motor, so it's about 75 miles an hour boat. Let's open it up real quick and see what's going on inside of this box. Let me set up my camera here real quick. We're gonna have to probably move it again. Let's open it up. Shortest unboxing ever. Okay, so you cannot really see, so let me grab the camera real quick. It's packed really good, and it's really beautiful because the graphic, it's not a sticker, it's actually in the paint. So it's all actually already in the paint, so it's really nice. Let's cut it open gently. When you remove those bolts, you have to be very careful because you don't want the propeller or the fins to touch the bottom. So first take out whatever you can actually grab and pull out, like stuff like the remote or anything else. Pull it out and put it aside. The remote is the regular remote that they're giving you inside, so it's not really a big deal. And then you have like this, you're gonna have the front support or everything. Like, let me take a second. I open it up and let's look. Okay, and there it is out of the box, the Miss GEICO RC speedboat, 75 miles an hour. Now, I'm already gonna give you the first negative thing I saw. It's not a big deal, but it's pretty annoying to me to see it. There is no stand. It's come with all those foams here, but there was no stand for the boats to sit on. So the foam that they give you is cut in the shape of a boat, but there was no plastic rack to put it on or anything like that. And this boat is pretty expensive. It's about $730 before tax. So with the tax, you're looking at $800, and this is before batteries. So I really think that this thing should come with a stand on it. And it's actually, I'm looking at the box, it's not even showing in the box that it's come with a stand, but still, let's keep going. Enough complaining. So paint job is actually pretty nice. So this is already in the clear. This is in the body of the car, the GEICO, but then those are stickers that they put later, so you can actually remove them and put something else. Let's open it up and show you what's going on inside. Now please pay attention because this can be make it or break it for you guys if you not pay attention to what I'm gonna say right now, because this boat is a 6S boat, but at the same time, it's have like a couple wires inside that you can put two 3S serial, or you can put two 6S, and those will be individual hookup to each ESC, because there is two motor and two ESC. Now, before we open it up, let's look here. So we have two propeller. We have a left propeller and a right propeller. And of course, whenever you get those boats, you have to open it up and you have to grease the shaft. I don't remember seeing inside grease for this one. So this is again another thing that I think you need to take care of. What you have to do, you're usually going to remove the propeller. There's the shaft that's going all the way to your motor. You have to put the marine grease and put them inside, and you have to do that every other run or so, because they're turning so fast that what they do, they initially completely burn to smithereen the grease that there is inside. Now we have here a very nice rudder system that it's wired push-pull, so it's really cool. So it's going to go left and right. It's like super sharp. Now you see that there is no wires going inside, no like water line. Usually the boats will have like a water line running through them and then going to cool down the system. On this boat, it's working kind of odd. I'm gonna show it at the end of the video because it's underneath the boats. There is two hoses that going into the water in an angle that they will suck the water as you go. So as soon as you start running, it will start sucking the water in. Now, let's finish opening it up. You have to be very gentle when you open those. You don't want to strip them or anything. And then if you look here, this is kind of curved differently. It's not a straight. So when you put it on and off, please pay attention to it. It's very important. Okay, this is removable, and of course, again, this is raw fiberglass. I really don't like raw fiberglass to touch my hand. This boat is a fiberglass boat. What Darren did on his boat, he got this Gorilla rubber glue, and what you do, you just go over it with a brush. The weight will do absolutely nothing for it, but when you touch it, you're not going to have residual fiberglass, kind of really annoying on your fingertips. Now let's put this aside and look what's going on here. So when you look inside, you can see that there is here 2 different plugs, and they're giving you another Y usually, and the Y is to put 2 3S to create a 6S. But whenever it is like this open, you're going to put 6S in each side, or you can put like 2 4S, or you can put 2 3S, or whatever going to work for you. Now you have 2 water-cooled ESC over here, and then you have 1 motor there, and the other motor is right here. You guys upside down right now. Then when you look around, you see that the shafts are over there inside. Let me straight it down right there. This will be a little bit uncomfortable to get in order to actually grease them, because you have to open it up and pop those things open, like the collets, in order to put inside whatever you need, like to grease it up. Now they did put inside already those noodles that we added on the other boats. When I look inside, there is actually, there it is. It's funny that the boat, this look like the boat housing, like not the housing, the stand, it's inside of the boat. You know, I did not see actually that it's there because the boat was closed. I think it's a little bit ridiculous that it's inside, not outside, because what happened, as soon as you take it out, where are you going to put it? Because you cannot really open it because there is foam going all the way here. So silly me, probably I should have first opened everything up and then do the video, but then it's not going to be an unboxing video, so it's not going to be real, huh? Okay, so let's continue. So in order to understand what they did over here, so you have 2 ESC, okay? Those 2 ESC have only 1 capacitor in each one, so they're not going to be as great like what we have on the 8S boat, of course, but this boat will be much faster because you have 2 very strong motors running it at the same time. Now when you look at general build of this, it's fiberglass boat, it's really nice. They did actually really cool work on it. I don't think this is going to get a lot of water in it, especially because the way that they actually seal inside over there. The motor on the big 8S boat, I have a lot of problem with water getting in, so I'm trying to actually do a repair on it, and I'm going to show later how it's done. So everything else over here is set up actually really nice, so it's going to be very waterproof. Now there is a lot of line running here for water, so you have to make sure that those are always connected, they don't have any bubbles in them or anything. Now this is something really cool. This is a push-pull system that's running the steering servo. Now the steering servo is a 605. I don't know how long this is gonna last. Again, the 605 servo, like notorious to break, and I think this boat in this speed need to have something much bigger, so hopefully they're gonna change it. And then when you move it, what it does, it's pull one wire, push, pull, and push, and then it's doing this. So it's pretty cool. Now overall, it's a beautiful boat. We're gonna go probably run it not this week, but next week. This week we have like an event going outside here on the weekend, so if you see this video, on the 22nd we have outside here a big car show. It's going to be this Saturday, so don't miss it up. You have to come and see. Now if you have any comment or anything or question, put it below. Very important thing, you can run on this with the cable that they're giving you. When the 2 ESC are separate, you can run 2 6S's. If you're going to run 2 3S's, you have to have a serial cable between of them to get 6S, but you cannot run 2 6S together to make it into a 12S. You're going to blow up the system, so pay attention, and pay attention how you charge your battery. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage. We have this boat available in our shop right now, so if you would like to get one, go by. We are here, and we can work the price with you a little bit, and we also have layaway available. If you want other boats, we have those as well. Watch the other video that we have for boats. Right now I'm going to start bringing boats because it's a great time for it. It's not too hot, not too cold, and the lake is 5 minutes away from here. Bye.